है दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बम्बे मेरी जान। हा हा हो ही हा।
So we went to this beautiful saloon, Bandra में, जहाँ पे these dogs were sleeping and around just in their lawn, and it's so beautiful. Just look at them, they're so cute. This is what I talk about, guys. Coexistence. ये बिल्ली भी यहाँ सो रही थी सलून के अंदर couch पे, and none of the customers were disturbed at all. They were so peacefully sleeping, just coexisting. उनके खाने के बाउल्स पड़े थे, पानी के पड़े थे, एंड दे आर ऑल स्टरलाइज्ड एज आई सॉ कि उनके ईयर के ऊपर एक मार्क होता है, एंड दे ऑल हैड दैट्स द स्टरलाइजेशन मार्क, एंड it was a really really sweet sight to behold, and I would recommend going to this saloon because oh god, they also had books, by the way. Very peaceful environment, I really like this. सलून का नाम है हैप्पी इन दी हेड. इट्स राइट नेक्स्ट टू फिक्शनरी बुक शॉप. द सलून इज इन बैंड्रा वेस्ट if anybody wants to visit. So they had a lot of books and I explored some books, और मुझे एक book मिली जो एक dog के ऊपर थी, and I sat and read it for a while. None of the dogs did any nuisance or anything. जैसे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि they are a nuisance and this and that, और बहुत शांति से बैठे हुए थे. They were well fed, hydrated, cared for. I also went to Fictionary. साइड में ही थी, मैं ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाई, but I went there for like 5 minutes. This is a shop in Bandra West book shop जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ फिक्शन बुक्स मिलती है.
I'd rather disappear than be lifeless like the sea. Voices make your mind their home. Once they're in, they're never gone. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it all. All my life I've been someone, been someone, been someone. From them I have tried to run, tried to run, tried to run. Look away, don't look at me. I'm not who I thought I'd be. Yes, I know that it's enough. Still I fight inside.
So after reading, मैं और मेरी friends यहाँ पर आके कुछ खाने के लिए साइड में. They had a lot of tasty fruits and everything, and for the very first time in my life मैंने एक dog को fruit खाते हुए देखा. Like he ate all the watermelon. Like not the first time, but like a stray dog. मैंने कभी stray dogs को fruits खाते हुए नहीं देखा है. So he ate like all of it so happily, and he eats this every day here. So cute. So अभी मैं जा रही हूँ जूहू and I'm on my way. It's Sunday तो traffic कम है as compared to other days. And I saw something really good, guys. रास्ते में when I was going, रास्ते में अमिताभ बच्चन का घर आता है. So Everyone was standing outside his house, you can see, to see him wave at 6 o'clock. He comes here every Sunday at 6 o'clock, as you know. He will come to his balcony, I think, and wave. But I did not have much of time to wait for him. So I just went to Juhu, where my mom's friend lives, and I was going to go to the beach just to explore. So here we are at Juhu.
एक बाजीराव ये कौन सा है हाँ अच्छा प्लेट बाजीराव वाला
एक बाजीराव मस्तानी दो
हाँ ये मेरा है तुखा चक्का
कौन सी दो
चल
इसको बाजूराव मस्तानी बोलते हैं.
आजा आजा इधर बैठे खा लो जिसकी हिम्मत है वो लगाओ लो ले वहाँ ले गए देख कितनी कमी दे
वो देखो वो देखो वो देखो.
मेरा पाव की लाभी ले लेंगे यार
आपको नहीं बोलना वो आ रहा है बोल
ध्यान से गिरे ये हल्का रंग पनपता नहीं है ये जू चढ़ जाएगा
अलग अलग शिवलिंग. आंध्र प्रदेश.
नाम के
So we are at Mukteshwar Temple in Juhu, and ये एक 8-story temple है, and it's really iconic. Each floor of this temple is dedicated to different forms of God, and this one is dedicated to 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva, symbolizing his divine presence across India. So they have these photographs and locations of all the temples of Lord Shiva across the country.
ये तेरा पूरा डायलॉग या बन जाए श्री रमेश्वर तमिलनाडु
तरसो तुम्ही को दिन रे छोड़ के अपने काशी मथुरा छोड़ के अपने काशी मथुरा आके बसो मोरे नैन तुम बिन पाओ कैसे चैन कान्हा तरसो तुम्ही को दिन रे
Hi guys, thank you for watching this vlog and I really hope आपको पसंद आया and if you like my vlogs and my essays and my reflections on life and mental health and books and literature, then I've created a small membership on Buy Me a Coffee. उसमें 2 memberships हैं. One is for writers where I share personal reflections about writing, how I improve my writing, what helps me in my writing, and everything related to a writer. And the next one is on mental health, the reflections and stories that I learn. Share a lot of my personal reflections about mental health, what I go through as a person dealing with a lot of depression and a lot of functionality problems. मैं उसमें वो सब डालती हूँ जो मैंने सीखा every single day that I learn from being surviving bad mental health days. I'm going to share it on that tire and really hope कि आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगा. And if you really want to support me and my channel, then you can become a paid member of either one of the memberships or both if you like. Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.